Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. So today I have decided to make some meatballs. So I have added in some garam masala, paprika, turmeric, chili flakes, ginger powder, parsley, black pepper, minced garlic, soy sauce, one egg, one cup of flour, salt to taste, and then you can use your hands and mix it all up. Make sure you mix it really well. So after mixing, you make the meatballs. It's easier to put some water on your hands before doing this, then it won't be sticking as much. So here I have made some meatballs. Put some oil on a pan, let it warm. Make sure it's warm enough, and then put in the meatballs. I put all the meatballs in one pan and then put the lid on. Let it cook for some time. And then it will be easier if you don't put so many meatballs in one pan, but I just wanted it to be quick, so I did this. Maybe next time I won't, because it was a little bit hot to turn it. I turned it to the other side and then let it cook for some more time. So once it is done, I transferred it to a glass bowl with the lid on and let it sit for some time. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.